Over the next 6 months, I'm travelling across 25 different countries on my way from the UK to Australia. Today is day 13 and we are in Paphos, Cyprus. Good morning YouTube, we are in Paphos, Cyprus, and we have at somewhere called Tea for Two, where apparently it's the best English breakfast in Cyprus. I don't know what we're doing today. We're going to the beach, Mark. We're going to the beach, we're going to have breakfast and we might be going to the beach, so I'll take you with me. 29 degrees today, steady.
Yeah, we do it all day.
There we go, look. English breakfast. That's when you know you're in Cyprus.
Same guys that did M&S.
Oh, right. Oh,
let's do that. Half beers. There we go. A full English breakfast for the first time in a week and a half. I can't remember when the last one was. And a Coke and the water. So, hello from poolside in Paphos, Cyprus. We've got an empty pool. This is the complex that Mark lives in, just over there. He's got a villa slash apartment. He calls it something different every time, which I'll show you a bit later. But yeah, this is the main pool. Now it's into September, there's no one really on holiday because these are all these villas around here are people's properties, so we've usually got a full pool to ourselves. So the plan for the day is Mark's currently at home playing games because you don't need to see the sun because he's always here. I'm going to chill by the pool for a few hours and then we're going to maybe go to a beach, have some beers a bit later, maybe go to the harbour. I'll show everyone the harbour, which is quite nice down at Paphos. But yeah, for now this is the scenes for the afternoon. It's about 28 degrees. It is 11 p.m. It is 11 a.m. here. But yeah, full chill mode for a couple of days or so before we go to Athens on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, Olympiacos are playing Paphos FC in the first Champions League game of the league phase at Olympiacos, which is in Athens. We looked at tickets, but they're €500 each, so we're probably not going into the game. We're going to go around the stadium before kick-off and mix with all the fans from hopefully both sides and see what cracks off, see if we can find any ultras, get involved with it. But yeah, that's the plan for the next few days. Let's have a stroll from the pool, which is just behind me, to Mark's house. He wants me to call it a house. It's not an apartment or a villa, it's now his house. He will have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in his house. I'll show you. This is the way from the pool, only a short walk. Oh. And then we are off to the beach. I've just had a couple of hours around the pool, and then we're going to go to the beach with Mark's friend Harry and see what we can get up to. Yeah, this is the complex that he lives in. I forgot what it's called, Summit Villas. But yeah, these are all houses. It's not a villa or an apartment. They're literally like got a house each, and this is Mark's house. Hello doggos. Hello doggy. Hello. Hello. We got Fear and Eos, Mark's dogs. Fear's scared of everything, but they're only little, ain't you? And also their big fat cat called Milo. Hello. Who I'm allergic to, but for the holiday I should be okay. Hello. Meow. 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 We're going to the beach. You wouldn't think that Mark lives in Cyprus, would you?
What?
Pale.
I just don't tan.
He doesn't tan. I'm more tan than Mark. We've got the sunglasses finally. First time I've had them out of the suitcase. My bag. Let's go. Time lapse.
It's gonna be a shit time lapse because we're literally going around the corner.
We're only going to a big travel corner.
Speed it up. fuck, I went the wrong way.
Oh shit. There's a complex Regina Gardens.
Stop announcing where I live.
It's alright, I only get 120 views, so that'll be 120 people, I'm sure. I'm sure not one of them wants to kill you. I can see the sea. Kind of. Whoa. That's a nice hotel there, Venus Beach Hotel. Is that the shipwreck? Oh no, it's not, is it? Can't park there, mate. Oh, that nice beach down here. Oh, the one which looks like. We're going off-road, baby.
You gotta do the like Ace Ventura thing.
Best Kevin and Perry impression I've got. Hello, Lordios. Hello, Lordios. Got a magnificent tonight, eh, Perry? Let's go.
This is crazy how dead it is compared to summer.
We're not going to your beach, we're going to the beach because you're nearly dead. Oh, day one at the beach, let's go. Look at it. Let's go get a bed and get in the sea. Is Harry coming?
Yeah.
I'll get Harry to take the camera. He can go be cameraman for a bit.
Why? Hello, honey.
Right, so we're at Venus Beach. I'm not too sure about the.
Just sat down on some.
I'm not sure about the filming around the beach, but however, it's like public beach, I guess. So this is the view for the day, and we're gonna go get in the sea. Pudding.
Mate!
Say something funny. I don't know.
What's happening?
How you doing?
Maximus Meridius.
Yeah.
Are you not
Go
entertained?
straight, go straight.
Yeah, fuck off.
Yeah, you need to be hot. And turn
We're up
into
in the beautiful beach in Venus. Check this out. Voila.
We'll get a new cameraman. Mark.
I don't want to be on the camera, as usual.
That's a good clip. I don't want to be on the camera. You're going to be on the camera. You will be on the
It's
camera.
causing a scene.
We are going out to the rocks. We're going to get out to the rocks and get on there and see what the view is like on there. Let's go. Come with me. Oh. I hope you can walk out there. I don't want to swim to the rocks. Oh. I haven't got my case in on this no more, so it is waterproof. The GoPro is waterproof. Let's go. Fucking hell. Do we have to swim? I'm struggling. Come on. I don't want to get it in the water. It says it's waterproof, but I'm not so confident. I'm literally not very confident that it's waterproof. Okay. We're not going to the rocks. Oh, actually, I'll see how far I can go out. I can't swim with one hand, so if we can walk all the way to the rocks, that would be glorious. We can't do on a tippy toes. Ugh. Go, go, go. Ah, it's leveling out a bit. I'll just have to, there we go. Probably better swimming with my right hand. Well, the GoPro's just gone in the water, so I very much hope it's waterproof. Oh shit, there's water here. Well, it's still recording me, so it's still working. Let's get up on the rocks. There we go. Still on? We are still on. I don't want to slip on a rock here. Ow. There we go. Got to see. That's a shipwreck over there if you can see it. Oh, so we're finished at the beach. What are we doing? Are we going Lidl? No. What are we doing? We're going to go back to Mark's, watch the Newcastle game, order some food, and then Harry's coming back round, and then we're going to go out. We're out tonight. We're going to go, well, to the Old Town. We're going to go out to the Old Town, have a few pre-drinks watching football, Old Town. Maybe stay up for the boxing, which is at 7 AM, but we'll see. We'll see. Well, no, just, yeah, completed the beach. We're in Mark's F1 car on my way back to his villa. Check. Beat him, Mark, beat him! Yeah, that's it. I potentially might take the GoPro out tonight, I don't know.
Definitely not.
No, definitely not.
You are not coming out with me with a GoPro.
Yeah, but people want to see blackout drunk videos, mate.
Lamborghini, bro. Fuck you hell. Hold on, whenever they take hold on.
Spinning it all on me. Look,
oh,